Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assessing the problem. Locate lifted seams, bubbles, or torn edges, and decide if a patch or receding is needed. Remove grease and food splatter now, because adhesive fails on oily surfaces. Once cleaned, use a damp sponge to dry and press the paper flat while you prepare glue. Make sure to have a seam roller and a small brush ready. These let you work quickly and control pressure, which prevents new bubbles during the next step. You apply paste carefully. Lift the paper just enough to reach behind it and brush a thin, even coat. Too much paste causes bubbling. Align the pattern precisely, then press and smooth from the center toward the edges with a seam roller or smoothing tool to expel air. Once the paper sits flat, trim any ragged edges with a sharp utility knife and clean off excess adhesive with a damp cloth. If seams misalign, slightly lift and reseat while paste is wet to correct placement. You finish by taping or pressing seams gently and letting the repair dry for about 24 hours. Temperature and humidity control are important because expansion can reopen seams. If small bubbles appear after drying, prick the bubble near its edge, inject a little paste with a syringe, then smooth flat and wipe clean. If damage is extensive, cut out a matched patch from leftover roll and book the seams to blend the pattern. This is the only way to restore larger areas without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.